Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Popshop Live, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really make money with Popshop Live? How does it actually work, or is it a big waste of time? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's find out if Popshop Live is the good or the ugly, right? Maybe there are better ways to make money online out there, right? Now, Popshop Live, first of all, is only based in the US, okay? So if you're not based in the US, unfortunately, you're not going to be able to use Popshop Live to generate income, right? But stick around, I'm going to share with you some other great ways to make money if you're not based in the US. Now, what this is it's basically a way to monetize your Instagram followers, okay? So if you are a creator on Instagram and you've got a pretty big channel and you are open to basically marketing different products to your audience, right, which is pretty cool, then you can partner up with Popshop Live and you can basically integrate their very cool functionality into your Instagram, and when somebody buys, they will buy directly from Popshop Live, and you will earn 20 to 60 commissions on the products that you sell, and they basically keep only 6% of a fee, which is actually really low for something like this. And then you don't have to look after anything, so you don't even have to create your own store. This is a very modern, cool way of doing drop shipping, where basically Popshop Live is going to handle all of the shipping and handling. They're going to send it straight to your customer. They'll handle all the payment checkouts and all that stuff through Apple Pay, right? And then they will pay you once every 2 weeks. That's kind of how it works, okay? So pretty darn good. Now, let me show you exactly, what the store has to offer, right? So you can do different things. So if you have a big audience, and maybe it's Christmas time, right? You could actually, partner up with Popshop Live, use their app and basically create pictures of yourself where you're wearing the outfits, right? And you can create a reel and promote it to your audience, okay? So for example, it might be this Christmas sweater right here. By the way, you can change the price points as well. So once you actually integrate this with Instagram, you can have your picture on there. You can have it make you look like you're wearing the the Christmas sweater. You can change the price, and when somebody buys from you, you will make 20 to 60% commissions on this price point right here. Really, really cool, okay? Then they've got like different things like designer toys, for example, okay? So, all these different toys. You've got vintage, all right? So lots of different types of things that you can sell right now. Now it's close to Christmas time, so it depends on when you're watching this video, but you can sell all sorts of different things. They've got, like Star Wars stuff, comic books, the categories are pretty wide. But the cool thing with this is what you can do is you don't have to sell your own products, okay? Which is pretty cool, all right? And when you partner up with them, you don't have to worry about maybe going to India or Pakistan or wherever it is to find your products, getting people to buy from you and mailing it to them. They basically look after everything. So all you're doing here is you're partnering up with them. You've already got an audience, right? And you're just promoting these products directly to your audience. So it's a pretty cool way to do it. Their fees are very low. I think the commissions for a physical good is actually really high. 20 to 60% is really decent, all right? So just to give you an idea, it's higher than TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop is 10 to 15%, all right? And if you sell other physical items like Amazon, so if you did Amazon affiliate marketing, Amazon only pays 3 to 5% commissions. It's really low. So for a company to sell physical stuff and pay you 20 to 60% commissions is on the much, much higher side compared to a lot of the guys out there. The fees are also very low. The only problem, there's two problems with Popshop Live, okay? Number one, it's only on Instagram. So if you're not big on Instagram, then you're not going to be able to use Popshop Live currently. The other problem is they're only available in the US because they're pretty new. They are going to expand to other markets, but unfortunately, if you're not based in the States, then you're not going to be able to use Popshop Live, right? And the third thing is you must have a following already, okay? So if you're brand new, if you're watching this video and you want to make money online, you don't know how, you don't have a following, you're not an influencer, right? You're not a creator, you don't have more than maybe a couple hundred people following you on Instagram who are your friends, then unfortunately you can't do this. So this is really only for people that already have a big following, right? Someone that's already a creator, maybe they've got 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 followers, million followers, then it's very easy because they can jump on here, they can talk about a comic book that they like, and they can be like, hey, check it out if you want to buy this cool little, comic book right here, like the Harley Quinn one. you can just check it out. It's $3. Okay, so this one's, I don't know why they've got all these. Oh, here are the comic books, right? The Batman, Orpheus Rising, 1 to 5, $25, right? So if somebody buys that, you promote it, and then you make 20 to 60% commissions, and they do all the shipping and handling. So for the right person, I think that Popshop Live is pretty cool, okay? But unfortunately, if you don't meet these categories, so you're not big on Instagram, you don't have a following, and you're not based in the US, unfortunately, you can't use Popshop Live. So it's very limited for now, I think. It's only good for a very select group of people, but if you are in that select group, I think it's a great way to make money because they take a lot of the heavy lifting off. They give you basically inventory for you to sell, and then you just use their software to promote their stuff, and they do all the shipping and handling and customer service, which is freaking awesome, okay? So if you want to check out Popshop Live, if you're ready, then it's popshop.live. If you're ready for something like this, all right? Now, if you're not ready for something like this and you're just a beginner, maybe you're watching this video, you were checking it out, you saw an ad somewhere, this has to fit the right person, right? You have to be a creator, you have to be a marketer, you already have to have a big following. Otherwise, something like this just does not make sense. If you're a beginner, don't worry, stick around, because on this channel, I've literally reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. And for me, after testing a lot of different strategies, right, there was one that allowed me to quit my full-time job, right? I make multiple 5 figures from it, and I work full-time from home. I think this is great for beginners. Anybody that wants to use the internet to create leverage, because you should be creating leverage online, because there's software, there's videos, there's so many ways for you to create leverage and generate a lot more income, but you have to use the right strategy and the right model. If you want to check that out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you step-by-step how I did it. Just click the link all the way at the bottom of this video. Hope you enjoy that. And I hope you enjoyed this review of Popshop Live. All the best to you, and I will see you on another video review. Take care.